Today, I will be first showing you the new features we have onboarded and then give you a quick demo of the product. I'll try to keep it very short and precise. So let's move forward. Firstly, we introduced TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook as 4 new integrations. So totally we have 8 more integrations in total. Moving forward, there's advanced settings. People wanted to bring in posts in different languages. So we have over 100 languages you can bring in posts in. Parallelly, you have to choose the country of the language. Moving forward, you have to choose in when you want to bring in posts in, the intervals of posts. Then you have the option to choose the number of posts you want to bring on each fetch. You can switch on off the fetching. You can choose which platforms you want to bring posts from and which platforms you want to avoid. Let's move on to another core feature people asked in. It's the custom prompts for generating the reply. We have generated a few already. For example, you want to generate replies in a certain language. For example, again in German, you want to use a certain tone. You want a certain number of characters in your answers. You can put in your name. And here, this is the core part where you can write in detailed prompts of those customized replies. You can put in these data inside it. You will be putting in this data when you create a new project, and also reference things like your pattern of answers, or how you would like to generate replies, and more details here in the custom prompts. So this is the brief on the new features. Moving forward, let's create a new project quickly and see how the product works overall. So let's choose Zapier. Let's add in the domain, just say automation platform. We can write in more details. It'll help writing the answers. We're just writing for now. Now the system is generating some AI keywords. You can choose your keywords too. Let's put in some suggested keywords from here. So we have chosen 3 keywords. You can put in negative keywords too, which you want to avoid. Then moving forward, we can choose the social media platform we want to track our keywords on. So we're tracking all of them. So let's choose all of them, and then let's wait and let's go to the pages of the mentions. So here, as you see, we're successfully created a project. Let's move on to the mentions. And here you can see we have already gotten these lots of posts based on these keywords. So we have lots of posts on Zapier. Let's go to LinkedIn, Twitter, Quora, TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. So all these platforms have posts in these keywords. So it's on Zapier. Let's go to automation. You can see more posts too. So all these platforms have these posts. We can also choose the prompt here. You can choose the project. You can choose the keyword. So let's generate maybe a keyword, or let's just maybe generate a post for the Zapier keyword. And you see, it's for Reddit. And let's just generate a quick reply. You can see it promotes a Zapier and like writes a good reply. Here, you can customize the prompts and make it as easy as you want.